Find a comfortable position. You may sit on a chair with your feet flat on the floor or on a cushion on the ground. The key is that your spine is straight but not stiff. Imagine a golden cord gently drawing the crown of your head up toward the sky, elongating your spine and creating space between each vertebra. Let your shoulders relax down and away from your ears. Gently close your eyes or lower your gaze to a soft focus on the floor before you. Let us begin with 3 deep conscious breaths. Inhale deeply through your nose, filling your belly, your ribs, your chest. And as you exhale through your mouth, release a sigh. Let go of your day. Let go of any tension you are holding. Another deep breath. In and a slow breathe, full breathe out, releasing. One more time, a full, life-giving breathe in, and as you exhale, feel your body settling into stillness, into presence. Now, slowly, mindfully, bring your hands together in the Gassho position. Gassho means 2 hands coming together. It's the Namaste pose or the Anjali Mudra. Let your palms meet in front of your heart center, your sternum. Your fingers point towards the heavens. Your thumbs may rest gently against your chest, a gentle reminder of your own heartbeat. Notice the feeling of your palms touching skin to skin. Allow your breathing to return to its natural rhythm, in and out through your nose. Bring all of your awareness, all of your gentle focus to the single point where the tips of your 2 middle fingers touch. Let this be your anchor. If the mind wanders, as it will, gently and without judgment, guide it back to this point of contact, the place where 2 become 1. Just rest here for a few moments, breathing, aware of your hands at your heart, aware of the stillness growing within you. Now, from this place of stillness, let us invite the 5 principles to wash through our consciousness. You can repeat them silently after me, letting the meaning of each one resonate in your heart. Just for today, I will not worry. Silently let go of your anxieties. Release your grip on the future and the past. Trust in the flow of this moment. Just for today, I will not be angry. Release any frustration, resentment, or irritation. Allow a feeling of peace and patience to fill its place. Just for today, I will be grateful. Let your awareness fill your heart. Call to mind one thing, no matter how small, for which you are truly grateful. It could be the air you are breathing, a person you love, the beauty of the sky, the grass in the garden. Feel the warmth of that gratitude expanding from your heart, filling your entire being. Just for today, I will do my work honestly. Connect with your own sense of integrity and purpose. Affirm your commitment to walk your path with truth and with honor. Just for today, I will be kind to every living thing. Feel a sense of gentle, loving connection to all of life, to the people in this room, to the animals, to the trees, to the earth itself. Recognize the same life force, the same key that flows through you, flows through all. Now, let the words fall away. Simply be. Be here, in the stillness, breathing, aware of your hands at your heart, resting in the quiet center of your own being. If thoughts arise, see them as cloud passing in a vast blue sky, and return your gaze to the sky itself, the silent awareness that is you. Now, very gently, begin to bring your awareness back. Feel the air on your skin. Hear the subtle sounds in the room. Become aware of your body, sitting here, breathing. Wiggle your fingers and your toes. And when you are ready, slowly release the Gassho position. Let your hands come to rest on your knees or in your lap, perhaps with the palms facing up in a gesture of openness and receiving. Keep your eyes closed for just a moment longer. Notice how you feel. Notice the quality of the silence within. This peace is your true nature. It is always here, beneath the turbulence of the mind. Gassho is simply the key to accessing it. And now, when you are ready, you may gently open your eyes. Welcome back. This simple practice, done for just 5 or 10 minutes each morning, can fundamentally change the texture of your day and over time the fabric of your life. It is a primary act of energetic self-care for a Reiki practitioner. It is how we prepare ourselves to be of service. It is how we fill our own cup so that we may have something to offer another. The stillness you have just cultivated is the source of all true healing. It is from this quiet center that the loving wisdom of the universe flows. Namaste.